What's up, dang gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? I hope so. I missed y'all so much. Today, I am back just for a few seconds because I have a really busy day. Happy Thursday. I am here to let you guys know that the Dippin' Dash butter sauce is going to be back in stock tomorrow. We're going to do like a light little stock. It's not going to be a lot. Probably like 500 at the max. Going on sale tomorrow. We have a very limited supply of the spicy Dippin' Dash butter sauce, y'all. So if you want to try it, you gotta be on it. The site is gonna be restocked at 8 a.m. Standard Eastern Time. Okay, Eastern Standard Time. Is that how you say it? Something like that. But yeah, 8 a.m. I'm here. I'm hungry. I have a whole rotisserie chicken right here and a Dippin' Dash butter sauce to eat it with, and some cucumbers. Let's do a thumbnail. All right. This is going to be a quick video, y'all. Seriously. I done pulled the all-nighter. I've been up. So if I look tired, oh shoot. If I look tired, it's because I am tired. I've been up, working. Look at that Dippin' Dash butter sauce. I got some bread too, y'all. Why not? Piece to the bone. This rotisserie chicken is from Sam's Club. $5. But what I always do is I bring it home. If I don't eat it right away, you know, I'll put it in the refrigerator or something. But when I get ready to eat it, I put it back in the oven. And cook it a little longer. I hope you're having a great day. It is what? Ooh, this bread though with the sauce. It's like 4:30. Almost 5 o'clock. And I have not been asleep yet. So what I want to do is try to take a little nap. A little nap before I get back to work on these orders. This is so good, y'all. I'm not lying. Oh, y'all. So, the butter is on sale, pre-order, at 8 a.m. Standard Eastern Time, right? And, there's going to be a few of the spicy ones on there. Also, I added some gift cards to the website that you can buy. So if you wanted to give somebody a gift card and let them buy their sauce when they want to, or order whenever they want to, or you try to order and it's sold out, you get your gift card, and that's in the way of like saving your money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you got a couple dollars right now and you want to get it, but then it's sold out. You get your gift card. You put your money on your gift card. So whenever you run out of money, you got that gift card. So when I restock, you will automatically have your money ready for your butter. I feel like that is so dope. I hope y'all are following me on YouTube. Damn. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram. On Instagram, it's easier for me to give all the updates. I feel like if I post on the community tab here, you guys do not see it. So in order to give you guys updates, I have to physically get in the video and do it up, you know, let you guys know what's going on. But if you was following me on Instagram, you would get all the updates what everybody else do. I don't want to try to miss out. Make sure y'all go over there and follow me, Flavors by Dame Dash. And I got Life with Dame Dash Instagram as well, from a vlog channel. On my vlog channel, I'm going to do a series, entrepreneurship series. And it's going to be like the behind the scenes stuff of the Dippin' Dash butter sauce, like what I go through. Like buying the products, financials, how much money I make from it, how much money it takes to keep it afloat. So, if you want to see that side of Flavors by Dame Dash, the business part, make sure y'all subscribe to my vlog channel. We got some Pepsi. It's a quick video, right? I ain't got no time for the pour. Plus, the mic ain't plugged up. That mic ain't plugged up. This is really good, y'all. So if you don't eat seafood and you still want to taste the sauce, you can eat it on rotisserie chicken, steak. Salmon. People eat it on so much stuff. And it's so good. This is so good, y'all. Little bread. Little bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all wanna know something? The first person who's gonna try the spicy Dippin' Dash butter sauce is gonna be dun, 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 B Loves Life. I shipped it out to her. But you know, it still might not be spicy enough for her. Now, my spicy version might not be spicy to everybody, okay? But it is spicier than my original one. And it is really, really good. But it's not 100% ready for production yet. This is just a little trial to see if I can keep up with the demand of two different, you know, I can barely keep up with one original. Don't count the corona situation against me though, because that's the reason why it was so delayed, y'all. Oh man. Let's get a wing. Oh, well, it was a wing. It was a wing. Right, this one. When can I see you again? Alright, so I gotta give me a nap in before I go and punch the clock. Y'all, I missed doing the butter so much. Like, I feel it's been a month or so since I haven't been making them. And I really do miss it. But you know, that get old real quick. But I'm excited to be back at work. I'm going crazy pulling all-nighters trying to get this stuff done. I don't want it to be a long wait time, you know. I want it to be in and out. On to the next. I'm not gonna overwhelm myself. They might sell out real quick, y'all, because people been going crazy on Instagram. People been going crazy. They ready. The love is so strong, like it's crazy. How much love. I just announced it yesterday. Excuse me. But people have been waiting for it. I'm like, wow, okay. All right. So yeah, I'm about to get up out of here, y'all. If I can get to work. Well, I gotta take a nap, then I'm gonna get to work. I can't stay up. It'll be 24 hours in a minute. I gotta get some rest. But it's like an adrenaline rush. I can't even talk. You know you're getting sleepy when your words get to slur. But anyway, I gotta go. I even revamped my website a little bit. So, you know, I've been working. So, if you want a little sneak peek of the website, you can go over there and look right now. But even though the butters don't be on there until tomorrow, but you can go look at the website and see that it's a little change, a little different. Let me know what you think. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that your post notification bell is on. Make sure that you go check out my other channel, Life with Dame Dash, and subscribe to that channel as well. It's my vlog channel. I'm gonna go crazy over there. I just been trying to get a haircut, or you know, figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. But oh well, I'm just gonna have to rough it out over there too, just like we do over here. Please make sure that you guys go follow me on Instagram, okay? Follow me on Instagram. I need y'all to go over there. I want to hit 100K on Instagram. I'm at 94. Let's get to 100K on Instagram, y'all. Tell your mama. Tag your friends. Tag everybody in your family. Let's do a challenge. Do some type of giveaway. How about this? Let's do... I'll send 5 people. I'll send 5 people 5 gift cards. No, I'll send 5 people a gift card. If you repost this part of the video right here on Instagram and tag 5 people who's not following me right now, okay? And let them, you know, follow my channel, I'll give you a gift card. $25 gift card. But I'm about to get about it here. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here, y'all. We're constantly winning, constantly growing. I love y'all so much. Peace. Oh, order the sauce on FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH.com. Sorry, FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH.com.